You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is g equals -7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the g. Divide both sides by -1.1. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is g equals -7.